So with lesson 4.2, I'm going to show you how to factor using the box method. So I'm going to do 2b, 3x squared plus 19x minus 14. So we're going to start by creating a 2 by 2 box. And we always want to put your ax squared in your top left corner. And then the c value, which is your constant, in your bottom right corner. Next, you're going to multiply the two numbers diagonally that you have. So 3x squared times by negative 14 gives me negative 42x squared. I want to find two numbers that multiply to that, and at the same time they always have to add up to your bx value, which is positive 19x. So two numbers that multiply to negative 42x, which is these two guys multiplied together, and they have to add up to your middle, which is 19x. So I know that 21x and negative 2x would work. So if you tried to multiply them, they would get you the negative 42x squared. At the same time, they would add up to 19x. So those two numbers you just came up with, you're going to put them in these two other boxes in any order you want. So 21x could go here or in the other box, and then the negative 2x could go here or in the other box, as long as they're both there. Now you have this area here of 3x squared. You're trying to come up with the side length, meaning the length and the width that if you multiplied them would give you 3x squared. So I know that 3x squared could be split up into 3x and x. Well, if I put 3x here, that doesn't work with this number because 3x as a side length could never work and give me negative 2x. So I know it doesn't go there. So I'll put the 3x at the top because 3x could help me to get this 21x. So I know that 3x could go there and x could go there. So now that I know that this top piece is 3x, I have to find this side length. So I know if this is 3x, I have to get 21 by multiplying with positive 7. So positive 7 times 3x would give me positive 21x. So that would work for your 21x. Next thing is, I know that this side length right here is x, so my job is to find this one as well. So x times what number would give me negative 21? Sorry, negative 2x. So that would be negative 2. And then you can finally check to see if your two numbers, this one and this one, multiply to give you negative 14. So positive 7 times negative 2 does multiply to give me negative 14. So these side lengths are your brackets. So I'm just going to rewrite them, and that'll give me 3x minus 2 and x plus 7 as your factored form, and that if you checked and did FOIL, you would get back to the original one. So if I try to do FOIL, that is a checking method, but these two brackets would be the factored form of what I started with.